Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, one of the 4 series of the famous people who is pipe smoker. This time, General MacArthur. Okay, well, I have this this image, and also I made pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Then I'm gonna these 2 images to make something interesting, impressive image from these 2. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna change blend mode of this normal to darken, so we can see through underneath of this base image. Then I'm gonna make duplicate layer, then just turn this base image off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this. Now use the smudge tool, evolve as always. I love this. Okay, and let's see. These props, my art director, found from some prop house or binoculars, and this general's hat. I don't know if it's real one. I've never seen real one. Maybe this is a real one. I don't know. And sunglasses. This MacArthur wears this kind of shape, huh? That's pretty famous. I saw many pictures of that. He wears this shape. This is a Levan. Well, almost done for smudging. I have main subject. I like this shadow, direct sunlight shadow from window light, huh? Pretty good lighting. From as if there is a window background, but too bad this is dark. Should be the white area here. See the window, so let me fix some. Since we have a pencil drawing type image here, so it'll show like this. That's interesting, isn't it? Okay. Now we got the texture over the smudge tool. Now let's see from here. Well, this is smudge image, and I got here pencil drawing type. Let me change the blend mode. Well, I kind of like this dark, more sunset time, and the dark sun come from window should be more orange-ish, so not like morning, huh? It's kind of morning, yeah. Sun goes from the window from front and the back, but more, I think, moody is this subtract image. Yeah, let me think. Okay, I'm gonna use overlay for more contrast of the picture frame and the picture. Yeah, maybe overlay and subtract. That's what I'm gonna use. So now I'm gonna duplicate this pencil drawing type image. Then one is overlay, opacity about 30% now. Just leave it there. Then next one is subtract, maybe about 20. Well, let's make it this way. Okay, now first of all, subtract. I'm gonna go a little bit darker image, so I'm gonna make mask, invert mask. Okay, make it soft blend. Maybe this one goes bigger. This is nice. Maybe this much. Now it's 40%. That makes more kind of mood. And then next one is I want this main subject pipe. What do you call it? Comb pipe or something? Should be the standout first reading. So I want to give it some spotlight or something. This shows more mood, right? Okay, now this is overlay and give it some contrast, huh? Okay, overlay 40%. And I'm gonna make mask, invert mask. Now I'm gonna open it up with this soft blend. Spotlight this way. Now I don't want to lose detail, so just mask it this area. Like inside the mask. Don't want to lose detail of comb pipe. Texture of the comb, I think. Okay, now we got the base. Okay, this is spotlight for comb pipe main subject. Then this is mask it to give it a more mood. But I want to change, fix some base image. I'm gonna paint. Let's see, just touch. I want to give it, add layer on top, change blend mode to color. Then I paint kind of yellowish orange. So I'm going to add this base. Okay, now I'm going to paint color layer again, then give it more orangeish. Binoculars reflection, maybe more kind of light. Okay, well, now let's see. Now we have this base image. Let me turn this off. Okay, this is the base image. Now I made smudge this base image to make this image. Then I'm gonna add, well, give it dark, make it more moody light, like sunset. Then I want this main subject pipe should be more stand out, so I made this spotlight. Then I change, well, give it a more moody color from window light. This color, touch orangish yellow to make some more moody type. Well, this is the one. Yeah, well, make some frame, add layer, then choose white, fill layer, white, then eraser tool. Well, let me see, leather wood. Well, just leave it here, and I'm gonna add another layer so we can compare. Well, this is just one way to make frame, but sometimes I like, let's see, add layer, turn this one off, rectangle, color fill, cut. Yeah, that's clean this time. Not always like this. Not always like this either. Just straight. Yeah, I think it's okay. Well, color-wise, and not much exciting, huh? Well, let's see. Overall color, though. I don't know if I can make. I'm gonna make group, main image. Okay. These are group. New group. Change name. Base group. Now I'm going to copy base group. I just don't need these, so I'm going to delete these two. Now this is the base one, right? Okay, base group. I'm going to duplicate. Then I just keep for one. Then base group. I'm going to go flatten. Okay, one layer, base image, new base. Okay, this base image. Let me see this normal regular image. Change the brush, like opacity down to 50. Move this one, go up. Then change something. Darken. Multiply, color burn. More exciting, isn't it? Much more contrast. Not only like this base image, it's still light. Maybe this is more impressive. Okay, this is the one. Now let's see, change. Yeah, this is more impressive. About 50. Color burn. From here to this. More contrast. A little bit down. maybe 40%. Color goes dark, and that's impressive. I think, yeah, nice contrast from the window light and direct sunlight, sunset light or something. Okay, this is just a base image. I want to keep this. Now, what else? Well, let's see. From this base group, we have pencil drawing type image to different mode. Well, I'm gonna copy this, duplicate, then bring this one, go up or up to top. Now I'm going to turn this base group off to keep it. Then I'm going to delete this mask for this layer. Delete. Then I'm going to bring this one back to 100%. Well, just, yeah, change to opacity 50. Then this is overlay now. Let's see. I don't want to mix up, so I'm going to rename this. Just pencil drawing. Okay, now it's color burn. Okay, now I have this regular image. Just change the normal 40% color burn. That'll make really impressive than regular this one, even though I add colors and little things. And the pencil one goes a little bit more, subtract, go down only 5%. That changes here. If you go up to 50, goes same way, but keep it 40 and maybe tone down. Even though 5% shows pretty good. Yeah, still see this pipe main. Well, yeah, this shows more punch, even though just 5%. Well, this is gonna be the last one then. Then well, this time I may add layer, then make frame. Yeah, let's see. Organic to twig. Well, okay, that's it. Okay, this is it for today. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Bye-bye.